Which plants are suitable for indoor and outdoor both? What are the plants that you can keep indoor and outdoors both? Today the topic is that. Peace lily plant also one of the plants that you can keep indoors and outdoors both. They do well in indoors as well, and outdoors also you can keep this plant. Make sure to keep it in a semi-shade area, not in the bright direct sunlight. Plant also another plant which you can keep indoors and outdoors. Plant is another beautiful indoor plant which can be kept as outdoors as well. So this is another beautiful variegated plant which you can grow easily outdoors, and also a beautiful decorative plant. Lucky bamboo plant, one of the feng shui plant as well, where you can keep it indoors, and when you keep it outdoors also it will grow, but make sure to keep it in a semi-shade. This is a lucky bamboo stem in a small mug and it is indoors. So this I have kept indoors. It's another lucky bamboo stem and it's in a mug. Prayer plant also one of the plants which you can keep outdoors and indoors. This also have to be kept in an area where it gets a filtered pothos plants. There are many varieties of pothos plants. This plant you can keep indoors as an indoor plant, and also you can keep this outdoors. Make sure to keep it in an area where it gets the partial sunlight, because direct sunlight will burn the leaves of this plant. Here I have the golden pothos. This is one of my pothos plants which I have kept indoors. So it is in a small ceramic pot. Palm plant also a plant that you can grow both indoors and outdoors. This will decorate your home if you keep it as an indoor plant, but also you can keep this in your garden as well. Here I have spider plants in water, and I have kept it as a decorative piece. And also here I have the spider plant in a small mug. They also fit into any size of pots and mugs. So here I have them indoors. Sansevieria plant is another one which you can grow outdoors. You can grow them in small pots and keep them outdoors where it gets the filtered sunlight. And these plants doesn't need regular watering. This Sansevieria I have indoors in a mug. So this is another beautiful way of growing Sansevieria. They fit into small mugs and pots. Rubber plant also one of the plants that you can grow indoors, and also this will fit into outdoors as well. These are beautiful ornamental plants which you can grow easily both indoors and outdoors. Spider plants. I have a huge collection of spider plants where they grow as outdoor plants, and also I have kept some of them indoors. So this is another beautiful plant which you can grow indoors and outdoors. Aloe vera plants. Aloe vera plants you can keep indoor and outdoor both. This is a beautiful indoor plant and also one of the best plant for garden as well. So this is best indoors and outdoors. They will do anywhere. I have this aloe vera plant in a mug, and I have kept it indoors as a decorative plant. Anthurium plants grow really well outdoors, but you can keep this plant also as an indoor plant. These are beautiful decorative plants. Make sure to keep it in a shady area if you have placed them outdoors. But this is a wonderful indoor plant too.